Hi, my name is Daniel Buzo. I'm the instructor for the Battery Electric Vehicle Technology program here at Universal Technical Institute. Sounds like a mouthful, certainly is. It's going to be a brainful as well. But don't be too intimidated about some of the items that you're going to see. We're going to keep it very simple for you. We're going to start in Electrical Fundamentals 104, where we introduce you to the very basic concepts involving electricity. Basic tools, basic components, basic theory, and then we get to graduate you eventually over the course of a year to what the industry demands. Regardless of how you feel about it, the future is electrified. Everything, whether you're rolling coal or burning tires or just getting that electric vehicle up to speed in a very short amount of time, the industry demands that you understand how to diagnose these complex electrical systems. And we want to equip you over the course of a year on how to do that. Over here we have an example of some of the high-level diagnostic equipment that we have. We have an oscilloscope, which we can see right now is actually showing us live communication for some of the computers in this vehicle. So we're going to teach you how to interpret what those signals mean, how to diagnose when things go wrong, and what the proper repair procedures are for that vehicle. Here we can see other examples of how our industry partners provide us with the necessary equipment so that we can show you how everything works from the inside out all the way down to the deepest levels of our high voltage batteries, and bring you all the way to some additional high-level scanning and diagnostic equipment. And that's just a real small overview of the electric vehicle program here at Universal Technical Institute. We're enrolling all the time and we look forward to seeing you.